disgusting. Like, disgusting. There is lotion spilled in the... Oh my gosh. If you haven't realized already, dang, my hair keeps touching her. I'm cleaning my car today, well, washing it, because it's dirty. It doesn't look terrible, but it's not to my standards. And keep in mind, my brother drives my car to school like every day because he's in high school. He should be doing this, honestly, but I like to clean my car because I do it better than him. Dang, focus. Okay, but yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what my car looks like right now. Okay, so I already opened up all the doors. So the floor mats, they're like, you can take them out and wash them. So that's what I'm gonna do first, so they can already be drying. But like the seats, everything needs to be vacuumed and wiped down. Like, it's not terrible. The main thing is this lotion that spilled inside of the glove compartment. Like, why do I have all these masks? And I know I haven't worn all these. These aren't even my mask. Here's my dog. This is Max. And this is Lucy. Hey, girl. My parents are getting the basement done right now. So all the stuff that was in the basement is kind of in the garage right now. This is what the basement looks like right now. Yeah, we just got done painting. I came down here to get the vacuum. It's kind of dusty, but that's all right. I got all the mats out the car. I just want to show you guys my sweatshirt. So the back has like the horse's butts on it. And, oh, what am I doing? And the front has the horse's faces, and it's so cute. It was longer, but I cut it because I think it looks better this way. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my hair, because I realized that how I want my videos to be now is like I'm showing you what I'm doing during the day, like a lifestyle during the day, and then hair at night, or like hair in the morning, life, you know, like that kind of thing, because I don't want it to be mainly focused on hair, because I do other things besides my hair, even though that's how I started my channel. So I recently cut my hair. You probably like, Stacia, look, it was an impulse, and I just got the scissors and started cutting. I cut the front pieces of my hair, and they're kind of stretched out now. So hold on, I'm gonna spray my hair. I don't know if you can tell, but the shape of my hair was so weird. Like, everything was one length, and I didn't like that. I like layers in my hair, like the front bangs, and then, you know, like that. But it was all like here, and I was like, no. Even when I was like wearing my hair in a twist out, it was just annoying to me because how it shaped my face was so terrible. My hair has grown out so much, and like, look at this. It looks like my hair is starting to dread. Okay, so I had to clear some storage on my phone, but if you can't tell, okay, let me do it this way. It's not the best. Okay, so you see how it goes down now? It was just all like, and I think it's because when I got my hair cut, she cut it when it was, you know, it was straight. So it's, anyways, she wasn't looking at it when it was curly. I really wanted, maybe I should get like a curly cut. I really want bangs for some reason. Like, I've never had bangs, and like, just imagine if I had bangs. No, never mind. You know, never mind. It probably could be better, but right now it looks pretty good in my opinion. I cut some pieces too short. Also, I have this one random strand of hair that's like so thin, like, or maybe because I didn't twist it. Anyways, I'm just gonna spray it. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my hair. So this is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed watching me cut my car. Oh, earlier me and my brother went to Well, no, later on we went to Rock and Roll Sushi and I got shrimp tempura and it was so good. And he got Chipotle. I need to take these down so bad because like you can't even see my scalp anymore. It's getting bad. It's getting bad. But I kind of like it when they get old. It kind of looks like locks, you know, starter locks. But yeah. Bye. Oh, I did my nails also with polygel. Close up, they look kind of terrible, but far away, you know. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I appreciate all of y'all. Bye.